So this is my phylogenetic tree on different modes of transportation. I primarily broke this tree down into automatic, or this is the top portion is manual, and this part is automatic modes of transportation. The automatic and manual modes of transportation share a common ancestor at the root of this tree, which is this red square right here. This is the common ancestor where when diverged, it made automatic and manual vehicles. The different dots on the tree represent internal nodes of diversification, meaning the species at each dot diversified and became two separate species, which is an example of cladogenesis, which is different from angenesis. This is not an example of angenesis because the species diversified into two separate species instead of when in angenesis, when species evolve to become a separate species and not diversifying to two or more species. This clade up here, the bicycle and unicycle, diversified at the node at the green dot. They diversified because into a species that has two big wheels, and the unicycle, which has one big wheel. The non-electric scooter and the longboard all have small wheels, but they diversified because the non-electric scooter has two small wheels. The longboard has four small wheels. The most recent common ancestor of the bicycle and the unicycle and the longboard and the non-electric scooter would be this gray dot right here. This is because if you were to quantitatively measure it, the operational taxonomic units that you would assign to these branches right here would be lower than if you were to compare the operational taxonomic units of like the bicycle compared to the car. So for the automatic, I put the car and the motorcycle together because the car has four, they're both automatic, they're bigger wheels. Car has four big wheels, the motorcycle has two big wheels. They diversified at that yellow point right there. The train and the subway diversified because one goes above ground and one goes above ground. Or one goes above ground, one goes below ground. And the airplanes are an example of the out group because they don't even travel on land at all, predominantly. And yeah, that's pretty much it.